BMW Gesture Control with iDrive 7 works with various hand functions to control different components of your BMW. To use gesture control, you want to make sure the gesture control feature is on. I'm just clicking through the different settings until we find the gesture control option. Make sure this first one is check marked. To use gesture control, you want your hand to be located in front of the camera, located up top, directly in front of the SOS system button. BMW came out with additional gesture control hand motions, such as volume control, lowering volume control, next station, previous station. One of the best features is muting and unmuting the music through a simple point. Here are more hand gestures. This one gives you the option of going to the M menu. To decline a phone call, it is a simple swipe across the screen. Vehicles that are equipped with 3D view, you can do a pinching motion in front of the camera to get a live 3D view around your vehicle. The pinch goes in both directions, depending on which way you want to see. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned so we can keep you up to date on your ultimate driving machine. BMW of Bakersfield on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.